Hi class. In the last video, we learned about an inequality that has an and. An and means both conditions must be satisfied at all times. So remember we said that there was no solution because there's no number on this number line that's both less than -4 and greater than 10. It makes no sense. It's literally impossible to achieve. It's like asking somebody to be in two places at once. You can't both be at soccer practice and in class at the same time. There's no way that can happen. So now let's look at a problem that's an or. And I think you're gonna find these a little more interesting because or means either one or the other, or maybe both, need to be satisfied. As long as one of these inequalities is satisfied, we actually have a solution. So let's see what this would look like. If I draw a number line, again, this is not going to be completely to scale. Here's 0, here's -4, and here's -9. For me to be less than -4, again, I need an open circle around -4. Less than is to the left. It's all the numbers over here. And for me to be, for me to be greater than or equal to -9, I actually need a closed circle around -9. Greater than or equal to is to the right. So I'm going to go this way, okay? So what is the solution here? Well, I need to pick a number, and that number just has to satisfy one or the other. So let's actually pick this interesting number of -4. -4 is not a solution to this inequality because -4 is not less than -4, it's equal to -4. But -4 is greater than or equal to -9. So this number is a solution to the problem. And in fact, if I look at the number line and I look what's shaded, every real number is shaded. Every real number that you can think of will satisfy one or the other of these conditions. For example, let's take the number, 10. So if we look at 10, isn't it true that 10 is greater than or equal to -9? As long as it meets one condition, it's a solution. Let's look down here. Let's look at -10. Isn't it true that -10 is less than -4? It meets one of these conditions, therefore it's a solution. Let's look here in between. What about -5? Now -5, it's less than -4. It also happens to be greater than -9, which is a bonus. So that works. So again, in this problem, the answer to the question is that all real numbers, and here's the fancy symbol for all real numbers, will be a solution because any number that you pick on this number line will satisfy one of these equations. And or, you only need to satisfy one. You can satisfy both, but it's not necessary.